Stop scrolling. If your YouTube profile picture look cheap or blurry, people don't take your channel seriously. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can design a professional YouTube profile picture that will make people to want to come to your channel to watch videos. Okay. So if you're on this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification so that you get all the latest updates. Okay. So watch the video closely now and follow me as I'm going to do everything you need to know. So if you have the app, you use the app. If you don't have the app, you can use canva.com on the web and make your design. It is very simple. Okay. Once you are here on the Canva, you simply need to go to the search bar and search for YouTube profile logo or profile picture, anyone. Now you can have different profile picture or different profile logo. You can use your face picture if your channel is your personal brand, but if it's not a personal brand, then you're going to design a logo specifically for it. As you can see, a whole lot of templates here. Okay, now what you need to do is to select one of these templates and design it to your taste. So you can see for notebook, you can see note N there, Claudia Alves, and all of that. So you make sure that the template you select is going to be free. All right. So you can scroll through this to see the one you like, and you can just make edit of it. As I said in the previous video, you make sure that it is free. So all these ones you are seeing with crowns here, they are premium. You cannot use these ones. Okay. So the free ones are the ones without the crown. So I want to see the one that you can actually edit. Okay. Let's select something like this one here. Okay. Now once you select it, it's going to display on the home page and you need to start making your edit. It is very simple. So you don't need to have any experience about design. Now you can see it here. So let's say the name of your channel is guide mode. Then you can just click on the icon inside. Okay, so you can change it to a different letter. Let's say GM or just something like G, or it could be anything F, O, and all of that. But let's use G for example. Also, using that G, you can give it different formats, different color, and change the color from white to something different. Okay, you can also reduce the font size. Yeah, you can also the text style. Okay, so this one I want to change. Now this is the style they use. You can change your style to subheading, to body, and all of that. So let me use subheading so that it will look like a real G. Okay, now you can see what I'm talking about. All right, then increase the font size again. Format is bold. So you can just take your time and add as many things as you want, but just make sure that you don't complicate the design. Okay, and you can come there also and change the channel name. Just edit this first, then put your own channel name, guide mode. Now, so you can just replace this with guide mode. Click on the name, then you input your own guide mode. All right. You can also change the color, the size, and just like we did for the logo, you can just do the same thing there. Okay. Yeah. So is that very simple? It's very simple like that. Then you can change the background color as well, something different. Uh, so you can just anything you like. Okay, just make sure it's very clear and very simple so that people can actually see it. Okay. Yeah. So this is all. You just manage it for now. You are going to import it into your gallery and input it into your profile. Export it up here. You click on download. So make sure the file type is on PNG. Okay. So on the size is 800 by 800 here, px. I click on download again, and I just going to wait for it to download. Okay. So once you're back to the channel, click on view channel as well here. And you're going to edit channel. Then you're going to click on the profile logo there. And select your gallery. You input your picture. You can see it clearly here, so it's good to see at the middle. Then save as profile picture. All right, profile picture updated successfully, and you can see from here that you have a new profile logo or profile picture. So this is simply how you can do it. And in the next video, we are going to teach on how you can upload your first video on your channel. So if you've made your design, your logo or your header, kindly comment in the comment section that I've designed my logo. To see you in the next video.